Hello, my name is Sally Frings, and I am pleased to present my 2021 summer residency hours for Nursing 735 and 790, the Independent Study Residency. I just completed, as well as my 1,000 hour residency completion overview. I am a nurse director at UW Health in ambulatory operations. I'm also a DNP student, and I have one 3-credit course, which will be done hopefully in just 9 weeks starting in January, to complete my DNP programming. I have completed my capstone and QI project in May of 2021. And also, as said previously, finishing up my 1,000 hour residency program. I'd like to acknowledge Carol Walther, who is also a DNP graduate of Edgewood College. She is the Primary Care and Population Health Management Vice President and my preceptor for the last year in my Edgewood residency. This slide shows the requirement per the syllabus for Nursing 735 in administration. And as said, I did this in independent study. And this is a breakdown of the requirements. Please note that the maximum number of conference and CE hours was capped at 36. You'll see I only did 25 and did make up the rest of those hours with direct preceptor hours to meet the 180 hour total requirement. The 3 categories that totaled 180 hours. Category 1, I had 36 hours with my residency course in Professor Tracy Town. Actually, I see that says Nurse 84, but that should be Nursing 735. I just had not updated that. I apologize. Category 2, I had 25 CEUs that are also documented in Typhon. And also the 3rd category was 119 hours preceptor-related opportunities with Carol Walther. Everything is completely updated in Typhon, so please find those there. The compilation of hours that I have done to complete my 1,000 hour residency is, all those hours are noted here from the fall 2020, spring 2021, and summer 2021 semesters. I have completed exactly 1,000 hours down to just the minute, and that has been quite an intense experience, but I'm really grateful that I am here and excited to show you my next slide that shows the compilation of hours broken into the DNP essentials. And I'm really proud actually of how this has broken out with the foundational category of category 1 being just under 25%. And then essential 2 and 3 both were really equivalent at 37.8 and 37.6% respectively for each of those categories. So I feel like I really got a nice balance in my experience over those 1,000 hours in the last year. I chose to do my reflection of the hours for the last semester and year in just a little bit different way. I've had the great honor to reflect upon the mentorship I've received from Carol. Her feedback provided in my evaluation at midterm and then the time that I've spent with her in the last few weeks prior to finishing gives me enormous pride, and I've decided to share some of the overview that she has shared with me and also Edgewood. She states, Sally continues to develop and excel at continual improvement for nursing care across ambulatory as well as the organization. She regularly uses a continuous quality approach and associated tools to solve complex problems. She will be leading the class on continuous improvement for UW Healthway cohort number 3, which includes many lean management tools. Her strength in this area will support nursing leaders and non-nursing leaders in improving care. Sally always maintains high quality and safety as the top priority. Her relationship skills are outstanding, allowing her to promote these priorities and make progress across the system. With the experience in incident command and her role in developing the strategic plan, Sally has developed her systems view, truly advocating for nursing quality and safety across all environments. Sally is able to speak clearly to quality and performance measures issues. She combines her continuous improvement approach to ensure there are tools and data to support outcomes. One example of this is her advocacy of obtaining ECD phone lines, so nursing triage can be monitored for clinical and patient experience measures as well, time spent per call. She clearly articulates how the method of data collection, measures, and standards will advance nursing practice and primary care. Sally is the nursing leader for the cough and sore throat study and research, which is examining nursing assessment and care pathways within their scope. Sally is the lone nursing leader among providers, constantly advocating the difference between nursing practice and medicine. She has engaged a strong team of frontline nurses in this research project, role modeling the nursing research role. Sally consistently identifies work that could be published or presented from ongoing work in primary care. Sally has engaged several products using technology to advance nursing care. She is leading the nursing triage tool implementation, able to advocate why a support tool is a help to nurses, not a final determination of care. She has also worked on health maintenance upgrade for cervical cancer screening. She assesses the impact to operational workflows to ensure that technology support and coordinates care. Sally's recent work on delegation protocols and associated policies supports system-level thinking, particularly catching delegation protocols that could be used in an alternative environment such as nursing triage line. She articulates the nursing practice for each environment to expand the use of the protocol. Sally recognizes the importance and function of a team to manage and coordinate care. She will be implementing chronic disease management tools with a wide-ranging multidisciplinary team in upcoming months. That work is already underway. She was asked to do this work due to her approach to patient care, care coordination, quality improvement, and population-based approach. Sally consistently demonstrates advanced understanding and knowledge of nursing and integration into care. She not only knows what needs to be done to advance nursing practice, but can also create the operational flows to support the work. And finally, her enthusiasm and joy in work is infused to nurses adopting new practices. Carol furthermore states, I have had the opportunity and privilege to work with and observe Sally's development while engaged in the DNP program. Her nursing practice and leadership has truly moved to an advanced level, an illustration of the power of the DNP. She consistently advances nursing practice, develops nursing leaders, and creates an environment of continuous improvement and joy for nursing. And I am so honored to have been able to share that in my reflection about not only the last semester, but the entire last year here at Edgewood College in my residency program, and through all of the work, in particular through my capstone project, which I am very proud of as well. As for future goals, I hope to have the opportunity to apply and be considered for VP or CNO or CNE executive system level roles in healthcare and nursing. Until then, I will seek advanced level certification in nursing leadership, as well as strive to engage ambulatory nurses at UW Health as we work toward our redesignation application for Magnet. This is a huge feat for the system, and it will require extraordinary grit. I plan on enrolling and completing my final course, which is a healthcare finance course, in spring with Roberta Pollock at Edgewood, and really look forward to graduation with my DNP in spring of 2022. So thank you very much for an awesome experience, Professor Town. I look forward to any future interactions we may have. And please do not hesitate to call on me if you or anyone at Edgewood might need something or might consider me for an opportunity to further support Edgewood College or the students, in particular nursing. Thank you very much, and that is my presentation.